Hello, boys and girls. Hope you're all having a great day. Today's book is one of my favorites, and it is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And some of you might already know this book, or you might have it at home. So if you want, you can get your own book if you do have it at home, and you can flick through as I'm reading it, or you can follow the book on the screen. So the author of this book is Eric Carle. And I think we all know what this book is going to be about because there's a lovely, beautiful picture on the front cover of a little caterpillar. And I think the caterpillar might be very, very hungry. So shall we read it and see what happens? Okay, let's go. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums. 1, 2, 3. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out. And he was a beautiful butterfly. And that's the end of the book. And have a look at this picture of the beautiful butterfly. There are so many lovely colours in this picture that I can see. And I can see some different shapes in the picture as well. Can you point out any shapes that you can see in this picture? And this week as well, we're learning all about the number 3. Can you remember? On Wednesday, the little caterpillar ate through 3 what? He ate through 3 somethings. Can you remember what it was? maybe we should go back and check, will we? Here it is. 3 plums. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. Well done. All about, and so I hope you're all practicing writing your number 3. And what about on Saturday when the caterpillar ate all that junk food and then he had a stomach ache? Do you think you would have a stomach ache after you ate all that junk food? I think I would as well. What a lovely book. I hope you really enjoy that, boys and girls. And I look forward to reading another story tomorrow.